know how to greet in Igbo? Today I'm going to teach you the most common Igbo greetings that you're going to use every day. So stay to the end of this video so you'll be able to speak like a pro. So you'll be able to speak like the real Igbo speaker that you are. For my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. If today is the first time you're coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe and show your support. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Ndewo, ndewo, welcome. Ndewo, welcome. Ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma, good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma, good morning. Ehihie ọma, ehihie ọma, good afternoon. Ehihie ọma, good afternoon. Mgbede ọma, mgbede ọma, good evening. Mgbede ọma, good evening. Kachifo, kachifo. Kachifo means good night. Kachifo, good night. And the response to kachifo is ka obo, ka obo, good night. Ka obo, good night. Ka emesia, ka emesia, goodbye. Ka emesia, goodbye. Kodi, kodi, see you later. Kodi, see you later. Kodi, see you later. Kodiechi, kodiechi, see you tomorrow. Kodiechi, see you tomorrow. Ya gaziere gị, ya gaziere gị, good luck. Ya gaziere gị, good luck. Ijeọma, safe journey. Ijeọma, safe journey. Ijeọma, safe journey. Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? Kedu, kedu, how are you? Kedu, kedu, how are you? And the response to kedu is ọ dị mma. The response to kedu is ọ dị mma. Ọ dị mma means it is fine or I am fine. Ọ dị mma. The response to kedu is ọ dị mma. Ọ dị mma means it is fine or I am fine. Now you know the most common Igbo greetings in Igbo. Which one is your favorite? Comment below and tell me your favorite Igbo greeting in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. Thank you very much. Daalụ rinne.